Co-Trading Enterprise. Ejmeko bata kese ba ko ene abat na so emamu a ebu ama amanfo nya ne mapa ede abo won bra mu abrabo mu aye ha ede ama wo mu. America ka chose phone de say Nokia, iPhone, Samsung, any phones bi a ope bi e papa e fish shop na nkasa mu na eba e papa Franco akache e na wonsa ebeka bi ato. Say TV na opa from 32 to 65 inches and wakofa air condition aba e friend no Franco air condition. Me say entwen kanea bebre asa na wo de besimi achele no. Enya seketu akra onyanya bi akone kope bi sesie papa Franco de yetene so a na ya so sanse na darumenti enene ye todem ne ma yensuro eho bibia na afra 0246 422 338 0246 422 338 sanso ena Piwak Healthcare akofa 3p garlic mixture yare abadwaso tiedo ni 3p garlic mixture eni edo ese ma mbu musa mu huna mane mo teso wa blood pressure cholesterol wasi kire ye wo mu nipadwa mu kwa na ekosomeka asiche yade bi unya 3p garlic mixture 3p ene papa wonu mu ayisi ene nche wa hyase enya insunsanso pa ewo nipadwa ne so yankasa abama ene yede ayenti no echechi wo so bia ene ho ko woni foni kire okanhye Kofisam and Kings Walk ubenya bi honum sa so na kuma so ko Danny Herba ni fai Kolinak nso ansabe kemi so oho ko Abet Sam Herba takrade AA Mensa ena face nyane so ko Green Light Pharmacy so a onsa ebekemi ato no chi miamia odo bi eto do bi akwa so hwe 3p garlic mixture yenton bi emfa emafre 0248 928 824 0248 928 824 Kaisa 3p garlic mixture de bia ewo glass bottle mo na chance je no eye red cover and afi red garlic enso and down to koto a na mpacho moni akonsana be mfa asokwa emeda na a change nam safari tissue enso ini meskoza se upe tissue de apa wonim na yiwonim fifiri mu edru se handkerchief a eno ane safari tissue obi ode ye adwuma bia jatum sampa sa ma eke ha adwen pa it as a covid by so be a jai handkerchief use because handkerchief no o de po wonim na sa de chi obotomu a obesa de pa mi free bi na sa kofa yade na oyi free wonim no asa de ababak ba o hia tissue enye tissue bia so na o hia safari tissue tonkuma ni bi fa po wonim pa to restaurant o hotel o chop bar o pe tissue a wo be paper mo sa e safari tissue da be kan for edema ne bo e wo fom eye pa richoko da bia maka so no pe no na nyina bode agu abu ahoden aba yanka se koko ne de ento bi onu bia gitum se emu e de ye pa Ghana koko so de e chinje bia enu ya sa so ne so aye kama pa esa de ma richoko anonom de de badwa so ese bi nu ma no pe ya ahoden ba ni padwem no enye asem kuma just consult me kan se bi emfa enchiro tie se opeso to kwan ko amonone ekosua ade na sanya ekire scholarship a eye just consult betimi aboamo achieve sa adewe na darumenti ene Ghana de shi over 2000 enya kwanya omusua de ebi kuta scholarship ewo UK ene USA from se see no momo se IELTS na pesa otwere GRE na pesa otwere na se SAT na pesa otwere just consult darumenti betimi atwere kama ya onya enchiwahwe bia ho wo japade bi so a wo ton anaso person to Japade bia just consult 0555 631 633 0555 631 633 just consult or say excellence is our hallmark. In my course, you are seeing me in Mpensenpensemu bro and join you live on Facebook or Adom TV. Adom TV live on Facebook. Ya comment or ya be jeni akenkan e de ama be ya for atenase. Ebeneza ni na te aye former MP Made Shewo Ablekuma Central na wo san ba biem ejba po be ye nti amanfo gida ne prano e bom so da sabaji o sabaji ye na afri ato e color TV akoto black and white as na Erica J so deputy original communications officer de ma NDC amyuko ben fo boko de
nyame adom kwezi na mpo mo
nyame adom
yes eja
me ya ba ko a mene no etikure
on remenzu honorable ho ye de
Madam Marek
ye de yam yes kakra
ni la person
also ho ye de
o eja Say
Eric Grace no di echira woman kapreta. Eric Grace udi echira o boale da. Dressing.
Kwesi. Oh yeah.
Aja.
Don't say oya lawyer. Okay. Say o say lawyer for dressing. And then so I treat clients at the mouth. But they be so when clients. But clients because hey, lawyer we dey is not dressing.
Atare guano.
Mean that down.
We dey want someone back at it.
Hey, Mama Sha say so this discussion here having on a semedica. And then ya age go.
Yeah.
Omo do money ADHD. Say na engineer council president de Kasano.
Yeah.
Within this week 1 week in Kwano. And then 5 na ejuregu yema. Enya as a result of earthquake.
Yeah.
But no mo check here no baby e see down no e be a factor. And then materials e see down no a factor. But this has been with us. And a person who call near Ministry of Works and Housing on website. You are much over sit down here. The near will be here. About 12 or 13 projects or so go through and send what to me and Yakwanyako Sudan. Ye diso. How many actual since we say this year?
Yeah, because I know pay the match here for. I'm saying no me ba asempa. Hona me who say a dan bi adwegu na o chere me video no. Na minim. See me say na me say Ghana ha. I'm so young higher but o hwe de we na a dan na timi adwegu ama I thought say excavator kra na bi e de akobuagu. And it's so serious. Ubusa legitimate questions. Ade ba kon ha ye ne say oman a nipa egum no ade esi ne ne ye ka ya adwene wi a e wo se etwa so action bi anka ho we de island we say NATO no action nti ye be kan next week ne etwa so but the following week e bi san bugu bi mu a ye be kan nti city authorities no mpanimfo a omo na hwe planning of our towns ne de keka ho no omo na ma building permit ne de keka ho yina nti omo na wo se yanka omo di omo ni bedi ne ma cheaper minimum one estate developer bia me colleague BT ne estate kwazi utum ze dan na no si no no mfa ho de hia ne se wanya asase na o develop ya mani partner because dan no my friend over 2-3 times e dan ya isi ya 5 years my obekona cracks are bad dan no ho no clearly no you could see say ono ni sika obeje ho na hodwe but ni revisa de no ye ni ye nso ono ana be den e be chama no nti if ni penya asase wie na obesi dan ya wose eja ne pedema no and facility bit is sorry dan hwe ni pa ku ahodo a ekom asore ida bia so inviting for program that crowd de obehu na bia mampani kra na invite na ko program de obeti ne se adwiregu nti ya besre authorities no omo na was omo man supervision here very high ne monitoring because ujaya cement na was obi di twa 20 blocks a uja no de be twa 35 nti ahoden na anka be wo blog nim no be wo from enra me hu de na adwiregu me hwa iron rod na megu na me say me capture business obi dey assess swakra o and obi because area no kra na ade ne sie na ho ye anwea wa hu da
asempo anu anwea
yes into baby san say who sit down na one put all those factors into consideration na dan no be see but bibia possible
I think say no tina as part of your building permit you see can say who be sit down ya or so saho anwea no be me akoye
say some test
and e be chiro the kind of materials that we use but
why na ono onya ne plot anu akofa ne mason ono ana de ne plan aba ni esiko ni ebubigu ni edibi shame that is all we don't do it but esise na nka ye take bold decision say efi neko de ye be ye nyina ye ni de akire de ye ya ni akire no kra no we are going back to revisit her ebe ma nipa esro bibi kakra yes kwesi ye be complain say ye bi besia buagu the last I think almost a month ago na me go my sister station Kronana near say sa weja ho no nsuo to ana create ma me ba ko yese ne matu so then that story you discuss ya see etwa so adekode na e create sade no yakopa ahwe the next time we be kan wasim bi na nsu ato foforo na afa nipa ba ko na be discuss na move for the mattress na emo no tu jimi no bi ni anwane e de ko we should be thinking as a nation, that is all.
Oh. Crazy.
What a way and as official member of an assembly before. Who are Badwam Mpensenpensemu.
You see, my mentia ya here for na mentia menua bema Erica na wonso. Na mentia me constituency for the good people of Badwam Mpensenpensemu. The children ni MPP4 wo ho. Say do NDC for then so na makan NDC for one so asem Badwam Mpensenpensemu.
Okay.
Nyame Adom so afie da e be Badwam Mpensenpensemu MPP especially the youth wing any Badwam South youth wing ewo anyakofa kansie ewo Lost Wembley 6 p.m. nti onya ho na obaba for Friday we are
okay me sure me for time
and number 6
okay
me boss 7 nti bomode na bra nti me youth organizer Jones Osei ni deputy Richard Asongo me mamu me bomb abaso for the good work they are doing. Kwesi on say uko university uko here university.
Yeah.
There are 2 courses is very important.
Sure.
And no number of years no more than the other courses. Uye medicine 6 years.
Yeah.
Because uni nipan kwa and eba beden. Ebedi eduma. Enti no uye first 4 years now, you continue to do another 2 years.
Okay.
To do your clinicals and all those things because you are going to deal with nipa dasini. So obi ye pharmacy and also obi ye biochemistry 4 years.
Yeah.
But with medicine, because of the human nature, you are dealing with 6 years.
Yes.
The same applies to architecture. We are architecture. You are also going to spend another 6 years and also because when I draw your friend is saying a dime.
Yeah.
A sorry dime. Your friend is saying factory.
Office.
Yeah. Is the architect that is going to do. And because of that, so also was 6 years because also yeah. And you see, with the doctors, they crap there. Or the will be a nipa back on the nipa. But you, the architects, no, draw when we are going to have our thousands of people in that building. So at the end of the day, say be born in Asia.
Yeah.
You can see say who nipa bakono ubekiri nkofo bebre nkwa. So these 2 courses are nkofo any was super and making sure say the right things are done. But you know, some of these things that happen with a daya ebubu egu, any in sorry ebubu gu and all those things. There are some key people they are the cost of some of these things at AC. One is the client.
Nipa no
Osidine.
Okay.
2 is the assembly.
Okay.
3 is the law enforcement agency.
Okay.
And the 4 is the community. I'm saying this because clients now on no Osidine. Your man will say, and there will see looking at the nature of the building.
Yeah.
Any baby your friend is saying Osidine. And since I use 12 mm, and so use 60 mm iron rods.
Okay.
But because open is cheap and Eric kind, open is so cheap, my use 12 mm. Oh yeah, you use cement 2:3, and I said 2:5. Or say baby, muncha nyano 10. Now we use cement in 2 bags. Meanwhile, only me say and yet
strong, yeah.
3, we have the assembly. Assembly and a map permits. Ukaya. Meseno come come there no.
Yeah.
The then building inspector no or honum at that time 8 a.m. at that time no. Ye pamuno. Simply because you are not supposed to just give your friends a permit no.
Yeah.
But day to day you have to ensure say the nipa no no or you the right thing and also you the wrong thing. But your core because the most of the assemblies here sika into who build or who plans now we the be cost we be say 100,000 200,000. Do the person have wakoya soil test? Ama we the nature of the soil how be see that was na. Ama we say and then also be see 6-story building no. Yeah. Would that land sustain that 6-story building na? And your friend assassin no was no. Yeah. E dey na what assassin so a ebetumi ama dan na den ejina. Sure. Why soil test? One my EPA for ba be environmental test. You see, there are so only 200. There are a lot of things before you get a permit. You have to go through. But you buy a niguso. And then we give the permit. Because honestly, and I'll say without any way beer to anybody, we go to some of the assembly, the technical know-how is not there.
They don't have the technical.
I'm telling you. Because they are supposed to be alcohol. And all the people, the interest most of them to have is to just take money. We have people who go around, they don't even have any knowledge about their friend is saying, how do you call it? Building. But all in the name of so, we a task force, we say, then we go and take money. At the expense of people's life. It is not about when you're about politics anymore. I'm just saying just as it is. Sure. And I don't care whether it is CFN is and people and these to see people. No, it's about Nippon Kwan and it be an if they see and no, we must be a so them all. Sure. So it is not about politics. We'll see just as it is.
It's quite dangerous. A week, not done 5.
And you know, yesterday I was listening to Obi, and I was told say, they're supposed to have a church service. Yeah. So you can imagine that if the thing has happened in the evening, the number of people that will lost their lives.
It's serious.
Because the assembly etio. We are the law enforcement agencies. And so now we can, you know. At the end of the day, now don't be surprised. Now before whom? Oh yeah. Now we do what? What was the responsibility of number when a building was taking place?
Number Penuka no say baby a seed and assassin so you know good for building.
So how come that assembly gave them a permit? Because of the Okoye soil test, no. Definitely the first step back and say
so you
no and yet so you assembly and how did the person also got permits on your soil test?
Okay, people are also talking about a chance when you're building permit if you want to go through this 12-13 process now. But it be taking say 3 years. None is a kind. So but now 3 years. Building materials so they be seen dance no buana air cost. So how do you also deal with Nintam say bit me building permit and so entem. There be a near Congo yesterday be ya. The person can be as much as any day.
Okay, you see, say about the emergency.
Okay.
That's why we get some of these results.
Okay.
Ube see they are processing. In fact, any na soil tests.
Okay.
And yet, then na EPA.
Okay.
And yet, then environmental. And yet, then if you are building a commercial ones.
Okay.
Like the churches, like the mosques, like the hospital, like the factories, and all those things.
Okay.
And those things go through processing.
Okay.
Ukoye soil tests. And soil test won't go to one place. You can dig about 4 or 5 different places.
But I'm sorry, who share your building LIA pass in 1996 now?
Yeah.
It's categorized say every building beer should go through these phases. Whether residential, commercial.
Exactly. But assemblies don't be benign the residential. Because look, I don't want to mention the place. But it was East Legon.
A danger my own aboka. If it's dangerous to because
South Africa.
Yeah.
The junction before South Africa.
Yeah.
I can tell you, me fa de bia. Look, with less than a year, just go and look at the apartment here. Yes. Just less than a year. Just less than a year.
Mm.
Look, if we sit down, me I did building technology attack.
Okay.
Who sit down? Na say who flow swa. Bisa on say a day days. At least 21 days. I won yi your friend is saying and Indiana winning any fi ho.
Okay.
But obi wo ha ye share concrete and now within 1 week na yi.
You see the 6 months. Who is like when 6 months sit down?
Ye penny to aso. So the weights now every soon eba cannot sustain your friends the foundation. Obi also na your friend is saying e the entire we see. Near bubu near the pillars ewo mu or na flow so na the storyboard. I mean some of these things no. That's the problem because the permit that was given to you, you ma permit for a 2-bedroom self-contained,
okay,
and not a 3-bedroom story building. So the foundation now, why you know, the every subano, and we do send the work from.
You better deal with this situation when we have assembly, sir, or money side somebody, Sikanum Kwan, and your money here.
No, we can deal with the issues when or more or most of the right thing and you dealing with them properly without political lens. Because at the moment, nipa ne be ade enye say AMDC no.
Yeah.
They deal with the building engineer.
Yeah.
What happened to the MC? What happened to the coordinating director? Because some of this, they all sat in a meeting to approve of the permit. And it's a MC, and I said DC, and I said Penibit Omuti committee ni moi. Na ma permitter. Why do you deal with the engineer alone? So when you deal with the political heads, and also be boying. No one who say, and they say me making sure it is not about money. Some Bible can say, and I say, not all that glitters is good.
Yeah.
And to be fair, say me pesika my assembly, me person me yes say, but nipa kwa and I dey gone. I hope and believe say, nyesi and run and you see. I let even one of the universities, I think UDS was a baby.
Yeah, UDS.
They say
UDS.
I feel like say a structural integrity.
So sometimes you ask yourself, what? I mean,
a whole university.
I mean, I'm telling you,
the training
committee.
And you see this, say I come from the beginning. Look at the number of students. Look at the number of students. Now, me I'm here to mu your friend is saying. Achimo across the honum baby. Sorry na bubu ye. Look. Utwem pa na nkofo kwa sorry ho a. Manafo bi ni mami wuye. Ewo mu. Na mami wa sorry ho wuye. So sometimes no, we need to make sure say then I say look, our major problem in this country, we don't have the political will to deal with issues.
That's the only challenge.
Yes. We don't have a political will. Whatever we do in this country is because we don't have the political will.
Honorable, Omaya Yetimwa, Obi Sidan, Ediasi in Suo Kwam. Obi Koso Obi Kubuogwa, no Bisu the year campaign once year by Yetumo. You see the problem we have?
That's the political will I'm talking about.
No, Obejai.
I even quite remember Okoboy, former Vanderpoy. On the Yabwati.
Okay.
That's the thing.
Go drink for free. Yabwati just
but the
man wants to correct errors now.
Current regional minister.
Yeah.
Then our own Bekaye. The intimidation, the insult is getting from his own party. All because he wants to do the right thing.
That is the problem.
Now say I'll call Ramsey aside and say I'll call you. So you young for a year no, regional minister. Left, right, and center for a year.
Asansu Ministry, no what's the name? Housing.
Western Housing, yeah.
Almost say child and clip one baby.
You can boost about something.
Yes. Oh, say it here. You move half.
I'm telling you.
You move half.
I'm telling you. All because you could do a better. So we are thinking about the next election. We are thinking about next election and not the life of the people.
That is the problem we have.
I believe, sir. A Pedisa Sempa 8 year. AC Hanamwa. AC Hanamwa. But son of Beneza kind. See, I shall see how hold this of the MMDCs be responsible. Near Jadema, name crow for the dear moon quackeka. Ye not a response now, yepen. The MMDCs should also be held responsible. The former came a boss here, a boss, I know one more. A year. Malcolm Edwin ye giant qua of fan who Edian. See dealing with him, maybe can a Bianca can't assemble from. Eric, Dr. Kwabrado for inject NDC primaries. NDC will not postpone.
Oh, I mean, I joined.
Okay, Dr. Kwabrado for and one I'm
Eric, I'd be called on another platform.
Miana.
Debbie.
Okay.
Ekoso honorable Julius Debra platforms. Maybe be no more in your coin empty. I don't want to believe say he subscribed to the course. They were the presenters. A D Dr. Kwabrado for at Temenra. It was so sad. Me body or any Badwam Mpensenpensemu. I called you yesterday. Me name be went to me and pick. It's so unfortunate. It's so unfortunate. Yenye bibia tonche.
Kwasi.
You are nowhere close to Dr. Kwabinadufo.
Kwasi.
You are nowhere close to the man.
Kwasi.
So better years no didn't attempt sending and it's so sad. So it happened on former chief of staff, Honorable Julius Debra. O platform so and as how do we see?
Kwasi.
This game called politics.
Arewo.
Adwuma.
Me say no so nya bre petie the way
adwuma na yin.
Do ma bene e ti Dr. Kwabinadufo atemu a.
Kwasi meba.
Nade.
Meba.
Oh.
I'm sorry for their work. Some of us will not do that. And right now me can say be. Some of us ye need sad but Adom anya me dey am any baby or dey do no. We appreciate our God. And I'm tired so can say oh amanyoku mu a iku a wadi ne nsam mfaso da no yenye na bro Dr. Kwabinadufo ewo ho kwan say oye de obeye bia enra ne yeti asempa na omo make announcement say okokot ntime enyumere na me kan affidavit ne kakra they were raising issues osusu say ni see na party ni yemana ebema transparency prevailing and the constitutional right and our exercising. And I believe strongly say the party na enim no and na so ochna. The necessary adebia was a party ni no. Party ne be but yes party for no. Ye nyina ye nipa baako. Eno nti na empanimfo bu bebi say dua krojem from ebu. Everyone is very important about the activities of the party. And there were so many ways obi did a contribution Emma Manyoku. And until now, because it's a very nebia yama appointment, maybe more started ye the nipa will cry in the party no ye who that. But it be enough farming corner deba. Someone was that yeah. Aha. Until be any role play. And this baby a drew no over time Dr. Kwabinadufo then at our boss so now we see it there. I don't think that there's sense in it. And let me use this opportunity now. Doc also Nachidi for no. You should also talk to them. Because me amete Dr. Dufo baby anya made na dru. Se mabusuam na ofia e bia nka mekra anya mede ma achen baby amewe. Enti ebeye ya passe because of internal contest. Na ye a ye nipa kro ye besen call for unity na ye ntimi enka ye homom. Nti enye very careful. And until I make us on so na chidi for no so no they should measure their language. Ne followers ni bi, ne key communicators. Ba ko kwatena Happy FM. Che de nipa ni si home no. I have the video on my phone. Fine. Word for I'm for GM. And I me nkogina baby grand count for asem that. But the person wants to say as a party no ohuni say ye generation say nkwala that me tie mantian asema na opeso kire but oye penny chairman what I said is I will never respond to him so what I say and one thing I was ohuni say because he said the adwuma share on side doesn't matter your age your output the obeye no and nipa be hu say wadwemu do and enyini no so ye wo body ni the body ni no and ye wo the adwene ni nyini
adwemu nyina kasa kra na enyini
yes nti obi go ha obehu body na enyini kama ba adwene ni so those people are also there yes and in politics the dangerous aspect is yenye abusua baako obia wo mu bi look at the tribes in the country na ye nyina ya kan bom se ye bedwan ne amanyoku baako ne ya hyehye mra eno nti no ye ntimi nkofa wo abusua mra se fa ye adwuma ye the party mra na ye adwuma nti ye hia sa su ne ba ne difa nti ebeto da obi be ye bibi ebeko contrary nti so onso wan hodu obi fa hwe ana nti ye besere
Eric Mamisa
Yeah.
Concerns now, Dr. Kwabena for are raising.
Yeah.
Is this something like a part in a bit me I deal with before say because if you can say, more party in share, I must say, more contest this year, or say album near ready 3 weeks before the elections.
Yeah.
Now, at that I see I did 220 albums and the moment of crowd say 4th woman. Was on the 4th of May.
Okay.
And got 220 in the buy you. I can't almost some will call a 276. I got a 56. And not
because me as I yesterday, you know, me kind. And you know, I was contemplating though, but a legal issue, me lawyer, the lawyers will address it. Or fire party guidelines and they call elections and it is purely stipulated. Say, I will see in your voter register. Edema will be sure. In this case, the voter register need photo album issue na banner, and you the same thing. So you are aware. And it's a share guidelines na the car say yen fa more dear. Nka party na den afofele. The same party na name so tena se car say let's prepare a photo album another album nipa enimye den e wom ne yen fa more. And I think say na party ni mo mu esusu say omo ya de be ma transparency na eden aba mu mo. And as at now per the mekan yentimi generate ni na eden emfa ma omo. By election, no, because across the country, 275 constituencies now, and only and now, when you say presidential, non parliamentary election second. Oko parliamentary, be more, bit is a minute them who say nipa be 8 in their contest. And the same register no more deco. And don't forget that this register ya can want me. And the elections are hold ya babisi national. It is a work of court so restraining order. Fine, you may go for that. But you should know, sir, the masses' interest, no, and also your supreme than your individual interest.
Okay.
And I thought that for the love of the party that we all belong to, for the love of our party, and your money be a party need do a scene there. Yeah, we just won't know. I thought that we certain things because yeah, no, I've been home enemy.
Okay.
Because me, baby, NDC, di medrina, me kwatena bedroom se me kobo NDC abura. Hey, na my yebi.
But who concerns are who raising?
I know na make us a consensus.
No consensus. Not for and respond.
Just like last week, Wednesday or Thursday, on my sister station, let me mention the name OKFM.
Yeah.
Now no Bribwan was emphatic to say NDC for election no. On Beji injunction, will be Beji injunction at us.
Last week,
former Deputy General Secretary of the New Patriotic Party. It make us a yaba no krama so no be Beji injunction at us. I say ma room bisa na speculation operate here. O cry how? Because you now want to say.
Okay.
And I am saying say adie bia niwa internally no yentimi resolve it. So with this issue, doc say court. All these constituencies, your printed ballot papers every year. Near my was a treat to a carpet in a year. I got 2-3 days to election. Docs any interest in Tino. Sir, masses ni interest in the party and any overriding. Dr. Kwabena for any day council. I respect you so much. Obi any who be real about your campaign. Why are there? Votes are obeying you get it.
Erica, for young share evidence is Nibia what attach it to.
Because you see,
now what more inaccuracies?
Maybe you see,
okay.
You know my position because of where I sit now. The matter is in court. It's a mess. Why?
The matter is in court.
Yeah. You know, you have to get me right.
Incoming lawyer.
Myself. Why?
Amen. But before I go, these are the concerns Libya Dr. Kwabena for are raising. Inaccuracies and anomalies in the NDC voter register. But we also was the same person, 2 different positions in the same branch.
Unim.
Where Pachumbo say
no, I know
Mohammed Isaka. Yeah, on the picture about me see or a youth organizer. The same Mohammed Isaka ewa Aguna Jiakwa ADC JSS 1A. A communication officer. The same person.
Aside, I'm not discussing what is in court.
Okay.
I see we are political party officers. Yeah, field work and sending yeah. If you go to some of the constituencies, especially the guidelines where this election from branch Babisino, obi timi memeti akra me ye adwuma wo ha ba woko German of me krom suma hinkura eho ena medi akotene pa in the party yeah election no mini pakro ya mitimi ko me krom se o me ya branch ama akra me ye den mepe ye de amame ba wo hwe mu akane no e bia na nkran ena na me wo me card no okay even the national ID card na ya na ye di compute data no because any pan ID card no tro ni din e wo Lakeman some polling station no okay obehwe mu no na ye sa polling station no kra code na eden e wo ho ene ye configuration of your data no ne party de na baby e wakwa kodi nti obetimi akohwe register no kra na obi ID card no e kire se bi oto aba wo Lakeman ba obekọ me krom kra na osan ye branch executive ebiem eye nipa ho adwuma na ye ana meboa. You can go to some of the polling stations. One family, no, papa and man will bear for the executives in the party. Because Oko Krumo, Munim, so Mona GNDC, about so more party in Ejuma. It members a Nipa Miensa, they even bear the same name. What? Because what must say, there's instances and so Eric J, Medina or Hakama, may ID number be correct. By fixing me photo the atohono. Obekoni akwa for different person photo near the abeto. No so and we nyina near administratively no errors happen and I'm boa and na o hwe the voluminous nature of the document na ye kan wasem na kwasi wa wani tua nti no I don't want to delve into the matter much but ye best Dr. Kwabnado for the interest of the party for the interest of the party
Kojobo Sunso thrown his support to Dr. Kwabnado for's lawsuit
mama kan say mo nchiro in politics be always careful when you surround yourself with bitter people.
Okay, that's what I can say.
Mama, you will say, but now on a bed so at once. Benjamin, you say. Happy birthday, come on, Mrs. Jennifer Aqua of 4 Square Chapel. Yeah, what Bubuashi and her birthday. Wish you all the best.
And a Felix birthday. Yes, wish you man.
Your friend, yeah,
Comedian.
Felix Kwachi Ofusu.
Yeah.
Incoming MP. Ebra Asib Kwaman Kes.
Yeah. Solid brand. Felix Kwachi Ofusu.
Bro, wish you all the best. Yamin now.
It was all about parliament.
Oh, yes. Such a fine brain. Yeah. We need now parliament. Yes.
Now, on support to Felix.
So Felix, happy birthday. Enko Enfabao.
Kwesi.
Basana mkareche mebo video Kojobonsu ene on Utek FM Kumasi I declare total support for Kwabnado for court na Okon.
On any supporters?
On the show.
I don't know how to say.
Eric.
Yeah, right.
Eric J.
Kwesi.
Kwesi. Kwesi. Yese aboano uchina ni sunku.
Yeah.
Ujane so ade sunku. Ana me boa.
Yeah.
Eric obi a metane ni baha papa.
Sure.
Me see Eric me cast na the last time Eric baha oh. Me see okase ya ma oman na ko oman ni isu. I say Eric na me promise me nua. Sometimes to be one ni kan sem o. Me say that no answer buy anything for to Obama MPs ni to Obama ewo your friend is saying ministry up we. Eric Eric be born nyuma. Eric compose nyuma mo. Say udwinde wo ye me sana
wo ye wara
enne Eric saw me meet me time me almost about 20 minutes. As if say Eric is na court why so sober. So I say friends say atubuga na ebisa no questions.
Yeah.
Eric ba
content. Eric J.
And Eric say ne we court it don't come answer.
Eric J ni.
Am wa. Nti ya be say Eric na team J and I say they say J Eric and I say Eric J na team J.
But as you guys as you are scripted.
Say mo pen.
Oh no, go say you don't gas be our paragraph 6. Because I say you are scripted na. E go.
Missing the phone so on so. Now Eric
na sa fi bi me kote.
The Oba on your phone so on kita bibia. That's one thing I respect him about it.
Okay.
So na mako family that I see me him. Eric Oba see the on kita pen, on kita because bibia on it him and then wa train phone so because on who baby all kind grab because It was a
more internal election. Best start today.
Kwesi. Mami fa akwanya we nso na me wishi me nuanom bia omo NDC. Ah na me Adom Mpensenpensemu ebe omo be call okono. In fact, politics are here no. We only have political differences.
Yeah.
But we are not enemies.
Sure.
You be pon metimi na Eric Ajina Bont, you betimi abon komo for almost your friend is 1 hour. Na nye politics asem ye kan o. Ye kan yan kase abrobo mu nsem.
Sure.
That is how politics is. We are nyanom. But I believe say me call MPP ebe boam.
Yeah.
Eric believes or call NDC ebe boam. That's the only difference. Say we call parliament is here. Say we nyanom menu of parliament.
Yeah.
Baku NDC, Baku MP.
Abujina pone jonjina.
But omo point now call cantonment, you see the two of them.
Yeah.
Eti ho na eden omo kasa omo didi. Ya nyanom because nyanom eba and some politics na eden aba. Enti mami nwa Betty Copson Afam Place.
Yeah.
And I nwa Berima on the me nwa nkasa because we are coming from the same house. Sam Nate George.
Oh, okay.
And also Minister Sam George and Sylvester are coming from the same house.
Yes.
Also honestly Nate.
Yeah.
Coming from the same house.
But in the election men farm and unim Sam George, I was sober back.
Endorsing mommy. So now endorse your friend is saying Felix no. So can say me endorse Felix. Until who endorse Sam George.
I was Sam George back. You know, me one reason.
Okay.
BTG.
Yes, he's the only person said the no then was why plus.
Okay, you are into the endorsement.
No, where we need him.
Okay.
Thank you.
And
you hear Nana.
And I mean, Bas Jesslyn Tete.
Yeah,
okay.
Jesslyn.
In fact, the brother is a very good friend of mine. Our hospital crowd in my constituency, Sukula community. And Linda Okru. And so.
To need Sam George free.
Yes.
A feedback.
Yes. And Minya Suhini. I was Mini Suhini were the same committee. So, in fact,
Suhini them so called poll right?
No. Obi contesting. Say ebia actually so na ono abetwe me e wo my office or say my brother Charlie we have to do something. And Tisoni is a very good friend of mine. I wish him also well. Then the final one, my best friend when I was in parliament, Eric Afo.
Oh, okay.
I'm in Eric East.
Yeah.
And also me wishing you all the best. Say nyame endio menim na omunko okuno na omundi nkuni mmenda me sure pass me dance no on bedu. You see the interesting thing about woman say obi say Betty Honum no is also contesting with a friend of mine and me wala title in the wo Walasi.
Oh, okay.
Is also now a lawyer but no call the last primaries and I Betty defeated no and I was answering that's me share me say Walasi you want to go and sit my sister or say but I'm also your brother. But I would definitely wish Betty all the best.
Okay.
Because I sema Kobra Dufo Eddie Akodan court and he said he felt say the register omodiko to abano.
Okay.
Or felt say in some
yeah.
And he felt that maybe one party no ayenchi at the home in Kitahudi yes still he's not getting a right resource. So the only option or one is to go to court.
Yeah.
But I think that any right say obetumi ayako court say or feel say nia ekono en favor no you have right to go to court. But make sure the timing and then Wednesday Thursday Friday
3 days.
Yes, and we share the campaigner not only among presidential candidates but the parliamentary candidates as well. The money that they have put into it. Any diakoko so ni na no na say court a granting way na ye postpone. I can also tell you say it may even affect him. Oh yes. Because omo asesika no will all turn against him. Because they feel say what my say because the more I will prolong your friends the more you spend. In fact, Saturday the cost Sunday ko be saboka.
Yeah.
The cost Sunday
your last meeting.
Yeah, the because saboka. He the come man obi be boka. So obema e kofo de ebufuo.
We dem so hwe be say 8 days crowd.
Ebufuo e de be den e de be to aba na etia. Nti me say NDC4 as a matter of urgency.
Okay.
To save the image of the party, no. As I say, omusha say, omuni ni betina say, ne dey say omuni ni man no. After the mistakes is bound to happen.
Okay.
But Obekaya in 2013,
yeah,
when Dr. Baumia the yeast register issue, not all come about faces and all those things. You see the NDC casted against it. They say so many things, and then that's the same thing.
Yeah.
But let's say NDC4. Then I think they still have a problem with elections strategies.
Okay.
Because Osha, when it comes to general election,
yeah,
they have problem with the EC.
Sure.
When it comes to their own election,
you have problem.
They have problem.
Okay,
it's more problem with elections.
Okay.
That they need to work
so when you
towards
share Owura Kojobosu or number 2 on a ballot paper, and also support went through for Dr. Kwabena for Kwakoko. So they are same to will take effect. So come see Shebi embrace.
Enti se unya album na ekwanfo fro ben e na mo betun afa so ma bato na koso peacefully.
Oh, so where there Sienya then and just tokwa. They have to rectify it, but they have to postpone the date of the election. And rectify.
Oman postponing so
it's entirely up to them.
What happens to the results?
It's up to them. Because at the end I know I started skewed to one way that they're skewed to another way that until me them is strong. The right thing. Okay? Otherwise, some people might go to court.
After this election?
Before
Saturday?
Yes. We can put the...
Okay, say other people might go to court.
I'm not saying others, say others might go to court.
Others? How many others, no?
Members of the party.
Okay. Maybe I'll say me Bissau.
Oh, Bissau.
I'll say me
you have the right to ask.
Yes. How many others?
Because you see, if there are no members...
Because I intend a coalition of... I intend a way in say be a group
the party,
B.
You see, and your group B. And somebody can... You as a journalist,
good.
You realize that that is not the right thing to do. At least you cannot say that everything must be 100%, but at least plus minus should be about 2%.
Okay. Eti Kojobosu dear and also near Kojobosu Eken before Dr. Kwabena for court enra.
So you can see some of these are some of the things are on my day, on my complaining.
On any supporters in any support.
Oh, Eric. The matter is in
court. But no, my concerns we nyam.
Kwesi, some of the issues on movie Kojobosu Eka.
Yeah.
On say that means on my car previously. And among who omanya your friends and resource bia. But Eric can be or say per their constitution no. They said the more no.
Guidelines.
But aka the photo album.
Yeah.
Honestly, personally, I believe in the photo album than the list. Oh yes, because the photo was someone out here on me.
Yeah.
But with the list now, you show Eric J. One Eric J. It is a day of the we talk about. That we see Uber. That's also my friend Eric J.
Okay.
Because it is not automatic. I say Obi about find the voters ID card there.
Yeah.
That is why I make catch on say they still need to learn from the new patriotic party. We are going to open nomination for presidential primaries this month, 26. We are going to be nomination for parliamentary primaries for offer constituency next month, 14th. As I'm speaking with you now, the party have set up a 6-member committee. A 5-member committee. It depends on the constituency whether that they have a sitting member of parliament.
And then album
verification of the album. And today I fought to her.
From
and the Akase, but they still don't want to learn. And I've been advising them all the time, said, Master, when it comes to election, come and learn from the new patriotic party.
But I say,
you call 2000 and your friends and 2013.
Yeah.
You call court.
Yeah.
Also, Dr. Maumia, Eddie, pinch it behind Eddie Koye.
But I say, yeah, we are watching ever trust. But once again, happy birthday, encore, and from Miss Mercy Ahe, NIA District Manager of Techiman South. And then, yeah, obey the impartial.
NDC
then happy birthday to Mrs. Veronica Ejay also
Obi Obi see NDC then be also look at our people omo ka che yen say yen call police station man dey free MP before ho and so what you call your friend is saying yes no community omo bom kwase
we need akwasi sia o try to
ono ane